On May 24, 2025, the southwest monsoon arrived in Kerala, a full week ahead of its usual schedule, but this early arrival raises important questions. Why was it early and what does it signify? An early onset of the monsoon is often viewed as good news, bringing hope to farmers, planners, and the parched landscape. However, the reasons behind this early arrival are more complex than we might like to admit. Predicting the onset date of the Indian monsoon has always been a challenge. Since 1975, the earliest recorded onset was on May 19, 1990. However, there is a catch. An early arrival does not necessarily guarantee a good monsoon. Conversely, a late onset, particularly if delayed by more than 2 weeks, almost always spells trouble. So what triggers the onset of the monsoon? The answer is multifaceted and not definitive. Meteorologists monitor a monsoon trough, a low-pressure belt that forms over the Pacific Ocean, moves into the Bay of Bengal and finally reaches Kerala. This path is influenced by various global factors including El Niño and La Niña, cyclones and even Arctic warming. In 2025, global temperatures are already 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Yet, the Pacific climate has not followed a predictable El Niño or La Niña pattern. The La Niña event of 2024 was particularly unusual, with the central Pacific remaining cooler while the eastern and western regions warmed up. These abnormalities impact the winds and moisture flows that drive the Indian monsoon. Some experts believe that we are witnessing the effects of global warming, subtly disrupting the natural climate cycles, altering established patterns and scripting new ones. The early onset of this monsoon season evokes memories of 2009, when the monsoon also arrived early on May 23. That season ultimately resulted in disaster, with a severe drought following. The reason, a mild El Niño and unusual warming in the Pacific. While 2009 and 2025 share certain conditions, such as warm oceans and unstable Pacific winds, there are also significant differences. Forecasts for this year suggest a neutral climate with no dominant El Niño or La Niña pattern. Still, some long-time indicators hint at a possible El Niño developing later this year. One potential reason for this year's early monsoon is the cyclone that travelled up India's west coast just before its onset. Its low-pressure pull may have dragged the monsoon trough northward into Kerala. This trend isn't new. Recent years have seen an increase in late-season pre-monsoon cyclones, a phenomenon some scientists attribute to warming in the Arctic and shifting wind patterns over the Arabian Sea. Will 2025 turn out to be another repeat of 2009? At this point, no one can say for certain. However, an early onset provides little insight into what the upcoming months will hold. The distribution of the monsoon is becoming increasingly erratic, with bursts of rain followed by extended dry spells, flooding in some areas and droughts in others, all within the same season. Scientists are actively studying the changing behaviors of the Indian monsoon to discern between natural variability and the impacts of climate change. For now, we wait, not only for the rain but also for clearer answers. The monsoon has evolved into more than just a weather system. It has become a complex mystery shaped by oceans, winds, warming and change. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to The Hindu.